test two speakers, and what we have for a test setup is the device we're looking at, which is an oscilloscope. That is connected to an audio transducer, which will pick up the sound from the speaker. We're going to test each individual speaker, and we'll be able to run different tones through this and observe the tones on the oscilloscope. I'm going to, after I turn it on, I'm going to have to, you probably will not be able to hear me narrate this, but I may stop the test at certain frequencies and interject comments. Okay, so we're going to start at the lowest frequency, and this is a large woofer, so it is designed for low frequencies. We'll test it up to maybe about 400 hertz, but it really should be smooth from the bottom up to 400 hertz, and the amplitudes will vary, but they should be identical. The two speakers should perform identically. Okay, so this is the test of the supposed good woofer, and we're going to start at the lowest audio range, and let me just see what that is. That is 20 hertz. We're going to start at 20 hertz and go up to maybe 400. Okay, so let's turn this off. We can see this better. So here we go. And again, you probably won't be able to hear me. Turn that off just for a second, interject something. Those first two or three frequencies did not show sine waves. Those were distorted waves, and a really well-performing woofer should show a sine wave. Like we're here right now, this is a sine wave. See how that looked nice and smooth? I'm going to go back and show you. And again, this is the good woofer. I'm going to back down and show you the difference between a sine wave and waveforms that should not be. And again, this is on the good woofer. Okay, so a properly performing woofer should have pure sine waves down to the low end. So well, I'm curious to see how the other speaker performs, but this is the supposedly good speaker. So I'm going to go all the way up to 400 hertz now that we know what we're looking at. Okay. Now that's supposedly the good speaker. Let's take a look at the bad speaker. I'm going to pause this briefly. Okay, now we've connected the speaker that the customer indicated was defective, and let's see how this performs compared to the reference. And we'll start again at the low end. Let me make sure we're back at 20 hertz. Yes, we are. Okay, so here we go. Try to remember what those low frequencies looked at like on the good one. Here we go. Okay, this speaker is worse, but both of these speakers have seen high volume conditions, and both of them are not performing well at the lowest frequencies, which a speaker of this size, and these are 15-inch woofers. Yeah, these should be pretty much pure sine wave all the way to 20 hertz easily. So my conclusion is the speaker that was indicated by the customer is bad, but the other speaker is not that much better. And that's the end of our test.